dance in my glow. Fireflies in the yard, everything's
Alright, so now the bottom part of the cross member is done. That means I still need to get the top piece welded on top of this. But now I can get that plate on, and then I can weld it from the bottom up through the holes here into the cross section. So that will be a nice stiff construction. Good morning, guys. Finally, yesterday I got the motor in the chassis, but yeah, I thought everything was going so well, but as you can see, it tips a bit backwards. That is because the block is flying high, like 10 centimeters too high, and it can't go down because there's no clearance. Fuck. This cross thing should be placed around here and go up to here instead. So this would clear, but take a look at this. When you get over to the other side, it's much worse. Oh, fuck. There's a starter. It's right down where it can go for now. So it should go, 10 centimeters further down. So I have to cut off this crossbar and place it from in here, I think, and over to the frame here. Weld it on again, so this space would clear for the starter. Yeah, and the engine needs to get forward like 5 centimeters. So yeah, there's a bit of clearance work in front as well. I have to make holes inside of this barrel so the block can clear out. But we will get it fixed. Just another day of working. Let's get it! So now, as you can see, cut out, cut, make this piece, weld it into there and over here. Then we in each side, so then we should be good to go again. Alright, so now the dirty job is over, and as you can see, I have cut the whole thing up here and made some new pieces to weld in. And this over here, there's a lowered section on the top, so there's room for the starter. Yeah. So yeah, tomorrow I can weld these on and get the top and bottom on, and then I'll try to put the motor on again and then see how it fits.